welcome back to the channel. Today we are back on the road, and this time we are headed to Beijing, the heart of China. It's super early this morning, and I'm talking still sleepy early. Honestly, we didn't get enough rest last night, but you know how it goes. We've got a long day ahead, and I can't wait to enjoy our national celebration and explore some amazing spots in Beijing. And there was this little girl. Her mom wanted her to take a picture with me so bad, but she was too shy. And I was like, "Oh, pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you." So we hop on the train, and I've got to say, there's something about train travels that just hits different. For me, the anticipation, the scenery flashing by, it's just so beautiful. We're finally on our way to Beijing now. Luckily, we were able to get on the train on time. Yeah. And we have roughly about some 4-5 hours before we get to Beijing. But yeah, on we go. on we go.
Bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah.
Yes, guys, so just got here. Waiting for the guys to come and pick us up. Oh, I see one person coming there. Oh man, quite Victor coming. Yeah, so we have finally gotten ready after how many years? We're late, sorry. But yeah, we're on our way now.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
Guys, so we are here already, and we're now waiting to eat. The guys just got through the game, fortunately they lost the game. We're waiting. So many people, y'all, so many people, but I'm used to vlogging like this. Other people might feel like it's weird, but it is not weird. All right, let me just take you guys around. The place is quite dark. We should have used the building, but since we got done late, now we cannot use it, so we have to use outside. All right, so I'll show you guys around.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, that's where I go, my own.
Good morning, guys. We are up again. This is our excursion day, so we're on our way out at the moment for our excursion. So, fast forward a bit, we arrived at the Beijing Olympics Museum. This place is incredible. It showcases the history of the Olympic Games in China, especially the unforgettable 2022 Winter Olympics. As you walk into this building, you are greeted by stunning Olympic torches, medals, and even replicas of the famous Bird's Nest Studio and the Water Cube. It's mind-blowing to see the dedication and efforts that went into all of these events.
What about Tiananmen Square?
Tiananmen Square is where the chairman, the current chairman of the Communist Party and the People's Republic of China leader lives.
Oh wow!
Like the executive mansion.
It's where they have the same place they call the Forbidden City.
No, Forbidden City is another place.
Okay.
So by God's grace, we tour 4 major places tourist sites in Beijing today.
That's great.
ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it, way. Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting.
Among these exhibits, there are athlete uniforms that have actually been worn in the games. It really gives you a sense of hard work and the passion that goes into all of these competitions. So, if you are a sport fan or you are someone who just appreciates a good story, this place is a must visit. Next up, we made our way to Tiananmen Square, and upon arrival, we were all very surprised to see the number of people that were already waiting in the line, since the place opened around 12 noon, and you also have to take your passport along, as well as you will need to book an entry ticket in advance. Because we didn't know that, though we waited for a while, but we couldn't enter the square. So just a heads up for you. Even though we didn't enter the famous Tiananmen Square, but from what I could see outside, it is definitely one of these historical sites that you don't want to miss out on. Yeah, so this is where we are. We just got here, guys, but it is rainy, so we came to at least eat something before going up the mountain. Yeah, just a quick lunch. Super tired already. Oh, I'm so tired. So we just eat and quickly head up, because I don't know when. Do you guys know when they stop selling tickets? Because it's almost 5. After eating, we will go and get our tickets.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang.
We came, but we couldn't. We couldn't make it. I want to cry. Oh. Yeah, guys, so it was so unfortunate that we couldn't go up the Great Wall. Apparently, the time they stopped selling tickets was when we arrived. So, they couldn't allow us up the Great Wall. Bad as it is, I'm also very glad that we made it anyways. At least next time we'll come a bit earlier, so that way we are able to tour the Great Wall. It was a really, really long day. So now we are just going to head back home and then leave Beijing tomorrow morning. Get back home base. Yeah. Good morning. Oh, it's 5 o'clock this morning, and I'm currently on my way to the airport. It was an amazing weekend, and I'm so glad that we're able to get a lot done. Yeah, so traffic and all of that, because there's so much traffic here in Beijing. Yeah, I just thought to check in with you guys and inform you of what we have going on this morning. Yeah, but I'll probably talk to you guys in a bit. I want to get some nap, because the girl didn't sleep well last night. Since we have about an hour and 30 minutes before we get to the airport, at least I can take that time to get some sleep, because why not? All right, my darlings. So I'll talk to you guys when we get at the airport. Bye. Oh, vlogging is not for the weak.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro.
Whew. It has been such a busy morning, but at least we've been able to check in successfully. And now I'm just out here chilling and waiting for the flight, which will be here soon enough. But I want to believe we've had a great time. I'm glad that I was able to vlog all of that for you guys. So I think we've done a lot already. I'm going to try to close up the vlog here because basically nothing much anymore. I'm just going to like get on the flight, go back to where I came from. That sounds weird, but I like it. Yeah, so I'm just going to go back home and pretty much that, right? So hopefully if I get on the flight, I'm going to take you guys around, like just show you around, but maybe not. But I love you guys, and hopefully I'll see you again in the next vlog. Ta-da!
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp.
Trust in me. I can't. You said